APEM toggle switches are available in a broad range of actuator, mounting, and terminal configurations. APEM's toggles are designed for reliable operation in the toughest environments, with target applications including material handling, agriculture, transportation, and defense. APEM's 600 series toggle switches are designed for switching motor loads and high-power applications, with ratings up to 15 amps at 250 VAC and 10 amps at 400 VAC. This series' unique contact design provides a distinct feel and increases the mechanical strength of the contacts. 600 series toggle switches are available with up to 3 poles and 9 different functions. The 600 series is available with metal or insulated toggle levers. Sealing options are available for protection against dust and water. Configurations are available that meet UL, CSA, and VDE requirements. APEM's 3500 series are industrial-grade, fully sealed toggle switches. The front panel can be sealed from IP67 up to IP69K and behind the panel to IP64. The 3500 series is available with multiple actuator lever styles, lengths, and finishes to match the requirements and aesthetic of the applications. The 3500 series are also offered in screw or solder lug terminations with single and double pole configurations which have current ratings up to 15 amps. This switch's rugged design and robust sealing make it an ideal solution for harsh environments. APEM's 5000 series offers the widest range of options for a miniature toggle switch. 5000 series toggles offer 17 actuator options, 8 functions, and 12 terminal types. It is available in 1 to 4 pole configurations and offers front panel and terminal sealing options. Configurations are available with UL, CSA, and CECC approvals.